it's fairly quiet today in here, isn't it? Yeah. If we just walk down towards like the ice cream place, or not even that far, literally a 10-minute video, George. I think with the lock on, George, you're less inclined, aren't you, to have the bike taken.
I never bother if I nip into like Sainsbury's.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I like going into town.
Yes. What do you call your dog, Mabel? You think? Mabel? Oh, it's oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. I bet I will. Oh, I know that. Yeah. Yeah. Was it? Okay. You're not coming down, okay? Oh, I forgot we're at the time of year where you've got to levitate.
Yeah.
Christ, it's bad enough normally, isn't it? They're all masters now.
Exactly. Like.
Yeah. I shall inform her. Oh, yeah, smell the lovely Cornish air full of fumes. I had to deliver once in, I told you, in Loo in Cornwall. Oh Christ, now we've got bagpipes just to finish it all off. Yeah, in a vat, and it was terrible. Trying to get up the little side road was horrendous. Got to get round here. Don't worry, I'll edit that out.
Just trying to contemplate it, actually. Actually, I'm comparing him to many other people.
He's a forerunner at the moment. Maybe when I'm away from it, it won't feel so bad. Yeah, at least he's entertainment over this way.
Entertainment, technically.
Yeah, not really, is it? It just damages your ears. It gets me out. He said once, oh, just 2 more and I can go home. Well, how about a proper job? That'd be funny. Yeah.
Fun's a choice word.
Oh, that woman.
No, a dog.
I'm not joking. I better audio edit this.
Yeah.
Oh God, we're going back past Scott, man. At least he ain't got a kilt on, I suppose. Why would you sit and eat it while this is going on? It's that underline. That's my heading. Oh God, what if you don't swing the door open suddenly? Oh! I mean, you'd be kept special kind of stupid if you did. But we're looking at Nuke here, aren't we?
Oh, no, I'm not.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's the reason to come into town.
Yeah. And the convenience, if you order something online,
Yeah, just to get it there.
you can return it, so...
Oh, that's brilliant. Right, you can saved.
Nah, you joking. It's times like this I crave like November and December.
Yeah.
It's a dump, but at least it's a quiet dump. Do you know what I mean? It's a quiet dump. I don't know it, but if you're saying it, yeah. Yeah. Cool. A very small lorry anyway.
There's still a lot, isn't there?
Yeah.
I mean, they're still going to hurt you.
Probably.
You get hit by that or an Arctic, it's probably like the same sort of level.
Should we take the bikes round at Sainsbury's, or do you want to just walk
well,
up?
you are,
I don't mind. Hey up. I'm Northern. Mum's Northern. I'm doing it on her behalf.
That's not how it works.
Hey up, you dicky thump.
I'm technically more northern than you.
That's true. What's so special about the tattoo parlour? Is this everyone on holiday and thinking they want to go a bit tattooy? Yeah. Was he giving them away? Well, I shouldn't have said that, should I? That woman's eyes lit up then. Something being given away. It's the tattoo place. What I might do though is go to the bike and get a bag out.
Yeah. I might go and take the jump off underneath.
Okay. We'll throw it in the box, yeah? Whew. I suppose it's silly taking the bike round, we can just walk over.